Do you have a house that you're thinking of selling in the near future? Well, we're gonna host a free home sellers workshop so you can find out exactly how to sell for top dollar. I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Temo Properties, top 1% agent in the county. And today we're gonna just cover real quickly what we're gonna be covering in a free home sellers class that we're having later this month in August. We're gonna cover 7-point strategic plan to sell your home for top dollar. So we're gonna cover how to price your home, what conditions should your home be in, how to stage your home, how to market your home so you can get as many people in the door and push the price up. We're going to talk about how to best communicate with those buyers in order to get the outcome that you want and desire. We're going to talk about how to negotiate, okay, price, terms, closing date, deposit, contingency period in your offer. And then we're also going to be talking about the closing checklist that every seller should have in order to sell the property and avoid any litigation in the future. Again, it's a free home seller workshop. The way that interest rates are today is a great time, makes it a great time to sell your home. So if you want to RSVP or get more information, click on the link in the bio. Or if you have any questions, send us a message. See you then.